Days back, Perplexity launched Perplexity Labs. Labs is for your more complex tasks. It's like having an entire team at your disposal. Build anything from analytical reports and presentations to dynamic dashboards, but only available for pro users. In Labs, you can enter powerful, detailed prompts to tackle complex tasks. For example, one prompt asks the AI to recommend a momentum trading strategy for Apple stock around the 2025 WWDC event. It's not just a simple question, it requests multiple options for when to buy and sell, such as buying a week before or the morning of the event, and selling the day of or weeks later. Then, it instructs the AI to backtest these strategies using historic stock data from Yahoo Finance, analyzing past 5 years of WWDC events. The prompt even demands tables, charts, and an interactive dashboard to visualize the performance and risk profiles of each strategy. The AI responds by generating a comprehensive dashboard that displays the results of 34 tested strategies. It shows a win rate averaging over 78%, highlights the best returns, and breaks down performance year by year from 2019 to 2024. The dashboard includes detailed recommendations: whether to take a conservative approach buying one day before the event, an aggressive strategy buying a week ahead, or a balanced middle path. Alongside these insights, you see practical guidelines for managing risk and executing trades effectively. Behind the scenes, the AI even shares the Python code it used to process the data, loading CSV files, sorting strategies, converting data to JSON for charts, and preparing visualizations with Plotly. Another prompt showcases a business use case. A tech consulting firm specializing in generative AI asks the AI to create a list of potential customers. The request specifies targeting American B2B companies at early funding stages, seed, Series A, or Series B, who are actively looking for AI solutions. The AI then presents a detailed dashboard listing these companies, complete with funding amounts, valuations, industry focuses, and key executive contacts. The user takes it further by instructing the AI to write personalized introductory emails to the CEOs of each Series A company on the list. This shows how labs can go beyond data collection and visualization to help with actual outreach and business development, saving users time and effort. Finally, there's a creative prompt where the AI is asked to develop a short sci-fi film concept in a noir style. It centers on a 30-year-old female scientist on Mars facing a calamity. The user requests the AI to generate 9 detailed storyboards and a full screenplay, demonstrating Labs' ability to support creative projects as well. In summary, Labs in Perplexity Pro is like having a full team of analysts, coders, and creatives at your fingertips. You provide detailed, context-rich prompts, and the AI not only answers, but builds interactive dashboards, writes code, crafts emails, and even creates storyboards, all in one place.